Axie Infinity tokens, and Axie's price is in free fall right now. Why this has happened suddenly? Alright, let's jump right in. Axie Infinity. AXS price risks deeper losses despite 90% drawdown already. AXS's sharp correction has made it one of the worst performing digital assets among the top-ranking cryptocurrencies. Moreover, it could undergo further declines in the coming months, according to a mix of technical and fundamental catalysts listed below. Inflation ramps up. Fresh inflation data has further dampened upside sentiments across the top-ranking cryptocurrencies, which, in one way or another, boosts AXS's bearish outlook. But why crypto fall when inflation ramps up? Crypto's crash shows digital currency is not a hedge against inflation. A combination of high inflation, planned interest rate hikes, and a sell-off in the traditional stock market seems to be behind the recent declines. Why is the crypto market down? The crypto sell-off is now part of broader sell-offs of risky assets that can be attributed to the Fed's new signals of starting to increase rates to fight inflation, Goldstein said. Those assets benefited from the low-rate environment and are now seeing the other side of it. AXS, S&P 500 and Bitcoin have high correlation. So, that's why AXS, Ronin and SLP have fallen at the same time. AXS dropped 7.5% after the report came out on June 10, and fell by another 7% on June 11 to reach its 3-week low of $16.79. The prospect of lower cash liquidity, led by the Fed's hawkish policies, could result in more losses for the Axie Infinity token. This video is extremely important, please watch till the finish. Alright, next is about AXS price slips below key support. The slew of negative fundamentals has sent AXS's price below a key support level, which may lead to extended downside moves in the coming weeks. Now, the path of least resistance for AXS looks skewed to the downside, with the next downside target at around $9 by September 2022, more than 50% lower than today's price. Notably, the $9 level served as resistance during the April to June 2021 session. How about RON and SLP? Once again, RON set new all-time low record. Despite dropping -15% in a day, the support perfectly catches the falling knife. However, SLP almost touched the all-time low now. Will crypto now rise and fall with the market? A report from JP Morgan Chase last October said institutional investors are putting cash into Bitcoin as a better inflation hedge than gold. Many current investors see it as a risky investment, he says, and pull money out when there is a fall in broader prices. What's more likely is that the value of cryptocurrencies is tied to the business use cases, like Bitcoin for payments, network effects, like more developers using Ethereum, and old-fashioned hype. In Axie Infinity case, RON as gas fee for transactions, SLP and AXS for breeding. Some people still see Axie Infinity as business. And when investors sell, they don't just sell in one asset class. When people panic, they panic cross-border. That is the video. Share this to your friends who hold the assets, remind them with this information. See you tomorrow.